In this example, we are going to practice solving simultaneous equations by substitution method. To substitute means taking from one equation and put it into the other one. We have in the equation 1, 5x plus 3y equals 30. Second equation is y equals x minus 2. In the second one, we see y is x minus 2. So we know what is y from the equation 2. Then take this definition and put it into the other equation where you see the y variable and rewrite your equation 1 again. 5x plus 3 times y. Instead of y, I have x minus 2 now. Continue to rewrite your equation 1. And as you see, we don't have y term anymore. We only have x terms. You are going to solve it, simplify it, and solve it for x. Open the bracket first. 5x plus 3x minus 6 equals 30. Combine your x terms. They make 8x minus 6 equals 30. 6 goes to the other side. You will have 36 on the other side. Divide both sides by 8. You will have a fraction. I advise you to simplify it more. Both of them can be simplified by 4, having 2 in the denominator and 9 in the numerator. Then you will have 9 over 2 as the value of x. Continue to find the value of y. Use second equation and put in the place of x 9 over 2. So be careful here when you're going to do subtraction. The first number is a fraction, so you need to make the denominators equal first before subtracting. So y equals 9 over 2 minus 4 over 2, and y equals 5 over 2. In this example, we are going to practice solving simultaneous equations graphically. So you're going to draw both of the equations on the same coordinate axis. But what do they represent? Each equation represents a straight line. So to draw straight lines, you need to plot points corresponding to those equations. So from the first one, in order to find the points that belongs to that equation, I'm going to organize xy table and give some values to x and see what are the corresponding y values. From the equation, I'm going to put negative 1 in the place of x and calculate the corresponding y value. It is negative 2. If I put 0 in the place of x, I have negative 1 for y value. If I put 1 here in the place of x, I calculate y as 0. So I have plenty of points to draw my first line. Let's plot the points. Negative 1, negative 2 is somewhere here. 0, negative 1 is here, and 1, 0 is here. Use your ruler to combine those points and label your straight line, which is y equals x minus 1. Go back to your second equation and organize the table for that one. Again, I give negative 1, 0, 1 for x. And I'm going to substitute in the place of x these values one by one and calculate the corresponding y values. If I put negative 1 here, I see that I will have 7 for y. If I put 0, I will have 5. If I put 1, I will have 3. Then we have 3 points. Let's plot it on the coordinate plane. -1, 7 is somewhere here. 0, 5 and 1, 3. Carefully combine them and draw your line. Don't forget to write the name of your line, which is 2x plus y equals 5. And your answer is in the coordinate plane where they meet. Let's change our color to show you the place where they meet. Here it is. So this is the point where they intersect. So the point is 2, 1. So x value is 2, y value is 1. So our answer is x equals 2, y equals 1.